Please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell and like the video. Toyota unveiled a new limited edition version of the full-size Tundra pickup based on the 1794 trim. The special edition comes with a Fox Shocks 1.1-inch lift kit and a specially designed leather interior. It will be limited to 1,500 units when it goes on sale next spring. Toyota's upwards quest to make a dent in the Big Three's full-size truck dominance continues. To that end, Toyota announced a new special edition version of the Tundra called the 1794 Limited Edition, complete with a different look inside and out and a lift kit. Most of the changes for the 1794 Limited Edition come in the way of visual and material changes, though the special edition does get a small performance boost in the way of 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass shocks with piggyback reservoirs and a 1.1-inch lift. The exterior of the truck distinguishes itself from the rest of the flock with a dark chrome finish for the grille and side moldings, as well as blacked-out accents. The tailgate ditches the standard Tundra text and replaces it with a special stamp to further differentiate the truck. The interior sets itself even further apart from other Tundras with the inclusion of copious amounts of brown leather. According to Toyota, the design was developed in conjunction with the Texas-based Saddleback Leather Company. As a bonus, Toyota is including a matching set of leather accessories with the truck, including an overnight bag, tool roll, owner's manual case, key glove, and small bag. The 1794 limited edition will be kept to 1,500 units and will go on sale sometime in spring 2024. We're not sure on official pricing yet, but we imagine it will come in a few $1,000s above the standard 1794 trim's $64,310 starting price. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.